Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making sure the app is ready. Open Gemini after installing or updating it. This ensures the latest editing features are available. Tap through permission prompts for camera and photos so the app can access your images. Without them, edits won't save. Sign in with your Google account and allow image editing access. This links your drafts and history. Once done, choose a photo from your library or import one. You're now set to start an actual edit session. You'll now perform the core edits. Start with Smart Edit for AI-driven fixes. Type a concise prompt like brighten face, remove glare, because Gemini prioritizes short, clear commands. If you prefer control, use crop and manual brush tools to isolate areas, then tweak exposure, temperature, saturation, and sharpness with sliders for subtle results. Use the compare button to see before versus after. Make incremental changes and undo often. This combination of prompts and manual adjustments gives faster, more predictable. You'll finish by exporting and verifying the result. Tap Export or Share and choose highest quality for prints or cloud backup for storage. Always save a copy to preserve the original image. If you see artifacts or edits don't apply, make sure storage isn't full and reauthorize photo permissions in settings. As a key troubleshooting tip, clear the app cache and sign out then back in. This often fixes stalled AI operations. Once exported, review on another device to confirm colors and sharpness match expectations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.